Question: make Q the subject of the relation. T equals to square root PQ over R minus R square Q. Okay, so first you get out your solution. So the first thing you do is to square both sides. You square both sides, you'll be having what? T square equals to open bracket square root PQ over R minus R square Q. Close bracket, you square it. So that gives you what? T square is equals to, this square will cancel the square root. You have what? PQ over R minus R square Q. So that brings out the equation proper. Alright, so the next thing you do is to divide each term by 12. So what I mean by each term, divide each term, these are terms. Divide each terms by 12. So you have T square over Q equals to P over R minus R square. So you convert this to a fraction. So when you convert this to a fraction, you have what? T square over Q is equals to, you remember this is over 1. So here becomes the denominator. So this divided by this is 1 times this will give you P, minus this divided by this will give you R times R square will give you what? R cube, or R is the power of 3. Alright. So the next thing, depending on what you want to do, for me, I can cross multiply. And I could have Q, times this will give what? P minus R cube, close bracket, equals to what? T square RT square. That's R times T square when you cross multiply. So that gives you what? So what you do now to get Q to stand alone. So when they say subject of formula, make Q stand alone. So you divide both sides by P minus R cube. P minus R cube. Which gives what? Q is equals to RT square over P minus R cube. Thank you.